I found these tools and accessories invaluable to my laminate flooring installation. First, we'll start with the laminate cutter. And I do have a miter saw and use that as well, but this laminate cutter made it so that I didn't have to use the miter saw as much, saving me time from walking from inside the house to the garage, and also the dust bowl that occurred when using the miter saw. This Work Pro kit came with the tapping block, the pull bar, a mallet, the spacers, and the spacers are adjustable by adding them to each other. I also use these Tfloor spacers, which are my favorite out of the spacers. I like them because they stay in place, they don't fall over, you don't need tape or anything like that to keep them in place. Lastly, these laminate accessories came with the laminate cutter. I didn't use this tapping block as I like the Work Pro tapping block better. It came with a pull bar, spacers, and a tapping block. The tapping block has a little handle, which is convenient, but as far as substance goes, the Work Pro has a little bit more substance to it, though I like the handle on the one that came with the laminate cutter.